Hello guys, welcome to our channel. And today is a Sunday. It's just a lazy Sunday. And today we are doing a barbecue grill at home in the backyard.
I'm scared.
And
It's a
if you're
fire.
wondering what is this, it's just where we have the chicken inside. So we're going to eat chicken for the barbecue grill, and maybe this grill.
Dad.
And you can tell our dad is trying to like blow it or something. And what's inside there is like some coal.
It's making me warm. I can feel warm. Leave it there. Smell good.
Yeah, smells good.
It's not very smoky.
So smoky. And you can see there's fire. Yeah.
Fire. The metal.
Yeah, the metal.
And there's tin foil at the bottom.
Yeah, so that way it doesn't like. Make the whole box in fire.
Fire.
And we'll come back to it soon.
Yeah.
また終わりやってみたいです
अब हम रखने लगे हैं चिकन देखें थोड़ा सा वाइट है देखें कैसा जाता है watching guys hey
BarBQ This one look better than last time. Last time I think I didn't do it properly.
Hey, as we're back now, you can see that we put on the chicken. Some of it,
It's a bit burnt.
yeah, some of it are a bit burnt. Some of them, most of them are like almost about to finish. The other one is about to start. And inside here, we're going to eat chicken with naan. Here's the naan.
Ooh, I'm hungry.
But we have to wait for the chicken to be done soon.
I'm
We'll tell you more soon.
so hungry. I should have been laughed at.
Which one the one?
Also, naan is so good.
I like this one. Okay. You can have the better. Take whatever.
Okay.
I can take whatever.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna just take a bite of this. My review is this chicken tastes very good. I like it. I like the smooth part is so delicious. And that's about it. We're gonna go eat inside. So thank you for watching our barbecue grill. And also our review about the chicken. Like and subscribe and happy Sunday. Bye.